We often see size as a sign of strength, but as the new energy landscape expands, what if the solution isn't about getting bigger, but smarter? The market calls for a solution that can handle increased capacities without a large footprint. Let me introduce the perfect fit, the T25 semi-welded plate heat exchanger. Engineered with unique features that extend gasket lifetime, ensure superior sealing under high pressure, and enhance a long-term performance. Its improved pattern and plate material withstand pressures up to 30 bar without fatigue. Despite its robustness, efficiency is never compromised. For decades, semi-welded plate heat exchanger has set the standard for energy efficiency, and the T25 raises the bar even higher. With its compact design and improved mechanical strength, it delivers more capacity within the same space. For added versatility, the T25 is also available in a shorter format, providing lower pressure drop and better thermal fit for specific duties. Whether size is your priority or not, choose a heat exchanger where true greatness is measured in performance.